This tune was composed by Spencer the Rover, as valiant a man as ever left home, and he'd been much reduced and he caused great confusion. That was the reason he started to roam. In Yorkshire near Rotherham, he had been on the ramble, weary of traveling, he lay down to rest. And by the foot of yon mountain lay a clear flowing fountain, with bread and cold water he himself did refresh. With the night fast approaching, to the woods he resorted, with wood, vine and ivy his bed for to make. But he dreamt about sighing, lamenting and crying. Go home to your family and rambling for sake. 'Twas the 5th day of November, I have reason to remember, when first he arrived home to his family and friends. When they did stand so astounded, amazed and dumbfounded, to see such a stranger once more in their sight. And his children come around him with their prattling stories, with their prattling stories to drive care away. And he's as happy as those us have millions of riches, contentedly remaining on Ramble Lane. This tune was composed by Spencer the Rover, as valiant a man as ever left home, and he'd been much reduced and he caused great confusion. And that was the reason